How's it going, everybody? Alex here with Patrick Hyundai, back again with another quick tip tutorial video for you. Today, I'm in a 2026 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Blue Edition, and I'm going to show you how to connect the Bluetooth on your phone to the car with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Let's get into it. All right, so here we are on the main screen of the infotainment system here. This is a really nice widescreen display. It's got a touch screen, so you can kind of swipe back and forth between the two main pages here. But what we are gonna do is go to the setup here, click setup. We're gonna go to device connections. And then on the side here, you can see device connections, Bluetooth voice prompts, Bluetooth system information, and phone projection. So what we are gonna do is click add new. And this is to pair a new Bluetooth device. We'll click the Add New button.
Turn Bluetooth on in your mobile device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
We're gonna go on our phone and click Bluetooth, right? We're gonna look for where it says Other Devices, Tucson. So we're gonna click Tucson, and that'll connect us to this right here. We got a pass key. Make sure that matches that one on the screen, and it does. Click Pair. And you can allow your contacts and favorites to sync if you want to do that, but we're gonna don't allow for right now. And then now our phone is connected. So what we gotta do to connect Apple CarPlay, automatically it pops up with your iPhone. You'll click connect here. So there we go. Now phone's connected to Apple CarPlay. And then we got all of our messages, all of our other apps that are on here and compatible with Apple CarPlay. And you're all set to go with that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content just like this, and we will catch you guys next time.